Hi, Rakshita.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you?
Fine, ma'am. What about you?
Yeah, I'm fine. This is Varshini from Quality Department. Today I'm going to take feedback video from your side. Rakshita, can you introduce yourself, your college, your native?
Yes, ma'am. Sure. And myself, I am Rakshita Maranur, and I am from BLD Engineering College, Vijaypur. My passed out year is 2024, and my hometown is Vijaypur itself.
Rakshita, like how you got to know about CMTI?
I got to know about CMTI through my senior, ma'am. One of my senior called Priyadarshini was here, and she said about this institute. So later on, we decided to join here, and I took IDM plus BIM course.
Okay. Like in interior design management, what and all you have learned?
In interior designing management, basically I learned about the basic principles and all, and the unit measurements, and also the standard dimensions of all the units, and also the specifications, materials, and all. These are all the things I have learned in interior designing course.
Okay. Like you have visited various sites and showroom, right?
Yes, ma'am. We have visited, ma'am.
Which and all site and showroom we have visited and what you have learned through that?
We have visited many sites, ma'am, like IKEA, IBO, Material Depot, Pepper Fry, and Design Cafes, and many others. And there we learned about the types of materials and the core materials, like which are and all they are going to use, and about the specifications, materials, hardwares which are they are going to use, and types of kitchens, types of units. These all we had observed in the sites.
Okay, that's nice. Like, how many rounds were there in the interview and what are the rounds were there?
In the interview, ma'am, I have faced three rounds, ma'am. The first round is of design, the drawing round. They'll be providing us some of drawings for us, and we need to draw the drawings. And the second round will be the technical round, and third round will be the HR round.
Okay. Like, you have used our CMTI app, right?
Yes, ma'am. I had used the CMTI app.
How it was useful for your course and for the interview?
It has been useful, ma'am, for many times. I had been using the CMT app for seeing the cut list and all, and the interview guidance they are providing is nice, ma'am. We had learned many things in the app itself, ma'am. So it will be very benefit for me.
Okay. Like, how was the trainer and Ashok sir was supported towards your placement?
Yeah, Ashok sir has been supported, ma'am. And the trainers, all of them were really good, ma'am. We had learned many things, many new things from those ends, from their ends, and it was really good, ma'am. The trainers were always good.
Okay. How was the coordinator and all supported towards you?
Coordinates are also supported, ma'am. Like they will be sending the sites and all with neat planning and all, and it will be very benefit for us to visit the many showrooms.
Okay. What do you want to tell to your friends and juniors who want to join CMTS?
I just want to tell ma'am, if they are willing to get a job early as they are possible, they need to join CMTI. And depending upon their interest, they can take IDM course or CACM course, and they need to hard work by themselves to achieve their goals. And this is all I want to tell.
Okay, Rakshita. Like, congratulations for your placement.
Thank you,
Have a
ma'am.
bright future.
Thank you.